All right, so this is where it gets good. We talked about Apple. We talked about Tesla. We talked about Amazon. Now it's time to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to chart it real simple and show you why I'm excited about Bitcoin. I'm totally Bitcoin and Tesla. That's my portfolio. But we're going to talk about Bitcoin right now. And before we do, please like, subscribe, and watch those other videos I just talked about because you're going to love them. All right, so here we go. I do daily, weekly, monthly. We're going to talk about the daily first. Usually I like starting at the weekly, monthly, and then I might roll it back to the daily. We're going to go daily, weekly, monthly, because in the monthly, I got a surprise for you. I'm going to show you what I like about Bitcoin. All right, so here we go. This is the daily chart, and you can see, let's look at the smoothing mechanism, right? So look at the red line, and you can see the downtrend. This is the 20 period average, and you can just see it smoothing out. And look, towards the end, we do get that move up along with the fast line, right? That's the 9 period average. That's the green, right? And what is happening right now? Tesla, it's in a channel, right? It's in a channel. And there's the upper channel, right? And here is the lower channel. And right here is the beginning of the month, right around here. And look at that move. The move is insane, right? People was thinking Bitcoin was going to go down to 12,000, here 9,000, right? So it went from basically 16,000 to 24,000 like that. Just like that. Not saying it's not going to go back down there, but hey, we'll take it. It's going higher. We'll take it. So basically that's what's going on, right? So we're in a channel and we're still in that channel. We didn't break out yet, but we are pushing the upper end of the channel and we just going to wait. Time will tell. Let's go to the weekly. All right. So weekly, you can see it a little better. Right? Look at the smoothing mechanisms again, right? Look at that red. Look how it's really smoothing out. And right here, right? Let me remove this drawing. This is what I want you to look at. I want you to see the fast line moving above the slow line. I've been saying about this lately, right? So this is the 9 period movement above, making that move above to the 20 period average. If you just had these two lines on the chart and you were to trade it, you would be a very good trader, right? Because you would have been in right here. You would have got out right here. You would have been in right here, right? These would have crossed. You would have got out right here. Not too much money made here because you would have got out here, right? You would have made a little bit of money. And you would have stayed out. You would have missed this whole decline. You would have got out at Bitcoin about 43,000. And it's getting ready to cross again. That's what I like. Now let's go to the monthly. And boom. Let me clear these drawings out because I want to start from scratch. All right, so you can see that channel, right? The channel that I'm excited about. There it is, right? And what we have here, when you zoom in right there, is, let's blow that up a little bit. It's basically, it's not quite, it's missed it by a couple of hundred, but it's an outside month. That is a huge reversal pattern to be an outside month, meaning this candle is totally engulfing this candle, but it's not, it's missed. I'm calling it an outside month, but it's missing it by a couple of hundred. It also reminds me of a ladder bottom. Like, what's a ladder bottom? Let me show you. So we got the ladder bottom, right? Coming down, and then you get that big move up, that reversal. It's basically 3 black days occur with successive lower opens and lower closes, and then a black day forms, and the final day is a white day that gaps up against the third trend. All right, it's not quite that, but look at that, and then let's look at the chart. It's close. So, but either or, both patterns are bullish. I'm gonna really call it an outside month though. It's engulfing this one, it's almost engulfing this one, it's engulfing this one, it's engulfing this one, right? It's like, it's crazy. This is a powerful reversal pattern that could get Bitcoin out of the gutter. We also had some volume as well. If you zoom in here, so let's go ahead and draw a trend line of the downside, right? So we also had this down trending, right? I got touch. You can see it broke that downtrend line, right? Or I could have drew this another way, right? So I could remove that and just kind of draw it like this, right? Just the top to the recent high. And then you can see how this month is above that high, right? We're starting off the month higher out of the channel, heading to the upside. So can it reverse on us? Yeah, it sure can. It could just be a fake breakout. Only time will tell. Also, I like how the stochastic is about to trend up, right? It's still in that oversold area, but it's about to trend up. The what is the fast and slow lines? Sorry, are spreading apart, and it's about to head to the upside. So a month or two, we'll see what is going to happen. This could be an explosive move, just kind of like how we saw over here. So just keep that in mind. We got the Bitcoin halving somewhere around here next May. Generally, I think it pops 6 to 8 months before it. It's not saying it is, but that's kind of what's been happening in the past. Some people are going to the Bitcoin charts. This is going way back to the 17th. I can't see any further back with my chart the way I have it set up, but I don't really think there's any need to go way back there. That's 5 years. It's just not a lot of memory in my opinion going that far. I like looking at charts for the most part. 5 years. 5 years is good. It's good. That's good memory to remember. Anyway, so I really think that Bitcoin is breaking out. This could be a fake breakout and it goes right back down. But my guess, it's breaking out. And I don't think we're going to visit the lows. Some other people still do. They still think the lows are in sight. I think last month was vicious. It was vicious, and I think it can continue. So that's what I think about Bitcoin. How high can it go? Let me tell you. All right, let me zoom in. Let's go to the weekly. And I think if we get past this 25.5 area, 25 is kind of right about here. Got the wrong line up there. 25.5, right? Right about there. And I'm going to say that's basically clearing this candle right here and also that candle, right? It's off to the races. I think it's off to the races. I think we officially would have broken out and it's all about the bulls. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm watching Bitcoin. We got the volume. We're flirting against that trend line. We got the vertical, the channel breakout happening. We got the diagonal breakout, the downtrend breakout happening. And I really think we're going to push through because volume is looking pretty good. All right. So what do you think? You think Bitcoin's going up? You think it's going down? Do you like this video? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the comments. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and get in the comments and we could talk about it. Hey, check out that Tesla video. Check out that Amazon, Google, Apple. Check them out. And Meta. Don't forget that. Called it. This is Dre, and I'm out.